Greetings, folks. Coming to you today from inside my van. I'm at the Sonoma Coast of California, and I am at Goat Rock Beach. And it's windy, even though it's sunny and beautiful out. It's chilly and windy, and if there's too much wind, I won't be able to say much. So I'm going to get out of the van, show you around, and if it's just too darn windy in the audio, I'll cover it up with music. But here we go. I am the only one here this morning in this parking lot, and this place, I'm sure, gets full with tourists when it's a nice day. But it is just too chilly, I think, for most people. Okay, back in my van, out of that wind. We are up near Jenner, California, but instead of going to Jenner, I think I'm going to go back into Bodega Bay and check out a different area today. Hopefully a little less windy. I'll take you along with me. Driving out of the Goat Rock Beach parking area, I just wanted to stop and show you that arched rock with my antenna in the way. Sorry about that. It's a very stunning coastline up here, kind of ragged and rocky and jagged. And today it's too windy, but very beautiful. Okay, heading out from Goat Rock Road to Highway 1. Hills are still green. Okay, so I turned off Highway 1 and I'm at Shell Beach, looking at this Kortum Trail entrance, checking it out and deciding on how far I want to go. I am bundled up with a winter jacket and a hat and earmuffs over the hat because the wind is howling. So I probably won't do the Kortum Trail the way I had planned originally, which was to go from Shell Beach to Goat Rock. But since I've already visited Goat Rock and it's so windy, I'm going to limit this hike to probably about a half-mile out and a half-mile back. Great views. Beautiful. Okay, there's a geocache down there and I'm gonna get it. Ooh, one of my favorite kinds of geocaches. An old ammo box. And it's full of goodies. So I'll take care of signing the log and head back. This trail is awesome. And someday, in a little bit nicer weather, I will come back. Okay, I have pulled over just to the side of Highway 1 for one more overlook before I head into Bodega Bay, and I just wanted to leave you with this beautiful image. Again, it's so windy that I'm sitting inside the van. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for coming along with me today. Take time to wander. Bye for now.